Good morning everyone. Myself Prashant and he is
Ankit.
Mathematics is an important and inseparable part of human's life. It has been existed and developed since the ancient area. Before explaining about our project, I would take a privilege to pay homage to our great Indian mathematicians. In this project, we are trying to highlight few ancient India's well-known Chakravyuh of Mahabharata and trying to correlate it with mathematics. For this, we are showing some mathematical games which make maths more joyful. The main purpose to make games with the concept of Chakravyuh in mind is that it is based on Indian concept. As most of the games are available either promoting violence or cause mental stress. Chakravyuh in Mahabharata is said to be one of the greatest military tactics that require skills. Our games help to develop logical and mathematical skills in a fun-filled way, simultaneously involving the greatest skills and tactics of the ancient India.
In this Ganit view, the player can break and enter the ring by the answering the question. Become more of the higher level as a player reach at the center point. He can break the Chakravyuh either by answering one question and exit the Chakravyuh safely. Which answer? The mastery of the mathematical concept. Here we have taken the concept of trigonometry. This board game follow the same tactics in as the Chakravyuh of Mahabharata, in which soldiers keep moving in the form of a spinning wheel. In this fence battle, player need to take the opponent soldiers out of the board to emerge victorious, like this. This green is represented Pakistan soldiers and the blue is represented Indian soldiers. These Pakistan soldiers come in the center and Indian soldiers jump on the Pakistan soldiers. So green soldiers out of the game. It is a great tool for entertainment which simultaneously help to inculcate the habit of healthy competition in children. It can be used for understanding any mathematical concept at any level.
Another game which can be modified according to the Chakravyuh is a circular chessboard game. In this circular chessboard, divided into 10 sectors and 4 concentric circles with a total of 40 units that are checked. The objective of the game is to checkmate the opponent. Thank you.
Thank you.